Still says wait to cross.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Walk sign is on to cross.
It says walk sign is on to cross now. They've always said walk sign is on to cross. There's a 26-second countdown now.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
These buttons are difficult to push.
Wait to cross.
These also vibrate a lot more.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Walk sign is on.
Oh, this one's got like an older countdown compared to the other one. What kind of pedestrian signal is this one? Probably, oh, wait a minute. What is that? That's an old McCain signal. This one has no speaker. This one's dead. So I gotta pay attention because this one has no audio. It's dead. That stinks. Didn't think these were gonna last very long, but unfortunately it looks like this one's dead. Like very much dead. Got a walk sign. Okay, bud, you gotta wait. This one looks like it's been replaced. Yeah, it has been replaced.
Wait to cross. Wait.
It's got a different voice too.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
It's got the TTS voice too.
Wait to cross.
Can't hear the buzzer, but it says walk sign is on to cross. 22 seconds. So one button has been replaced and it has the TTS voice now.